Hey, Saspreneurs, welcome to day 18 of our 30-day high-level mastery, where I teach you one simple, actionable insight to go and implement in your business straight away. So today we're not looking at any tactics to implement. Today we're going to look at some mindset shift, not some, one critical mindset shift, meaning you're not going to compare your day one with someone else's day 100, especially in the marketing world, which is full of bullshit. Trust me, it's sad I'm saying this, but it's true. So I definitely feel in the marketing world, there's a lot of people who bullshit a lot. A lot of people say a lot of things. Unless you actually sit down and chat with them, you'll be like, oh my God, that is full of bullshit. It doesn't make sense. People just talk a lot. So do not get carried away with whatever people say. People who seem like they're super successful might not be successful, but someone who's sitting right next to you with a plain t-shirt and jean and didn't shave for 6 months in the past will be making $400,000 a month. Okay, true story. So do not get carried away when someone shows off very, very confidently on camera, but they don't have enough clients to have their cash flow. So there's a lot of things that I see, especially now having a lot of exposure after the SaaSpreneur world. A lot of people have coffee with me, a lot of people have chats with me, and I am humbled and very, very humbled with my journey in just 1 year, where a lot of people who have been in the high level world for 4 years and 3 years and 7 years have not been able to crack the things that I've been able to crack in such a short amount of time. Not because I'm great. That's because, you put in the hard yards and you try to bring your transferable skills from your basic personality and skill set and previous jobs and things that I've learned. So for me, it's always the ClickFunnels world, the sales strategy, the whole online coaching that I've done for all the 3 or 4 years. I brought that into the toolkit. So I prioritize strategy over software, where everybody feels a sense of entitlement. Oh, I've got a high level subscription. People should buy because it's high level. No, people do not swipe their card unless they feel that you can actually solve their problem. You can help them make more money. So strategy over software, and not comparing your day one with someone else's day 100 and break your confidence. Do not walk into rooms where you feel intimidated. Do not walk into rooms where it's not going to make sense to you. Literally last year, in October, I did not go to the Saspreneur in Dallas because I was like, oh shit, if I go to the normal Zoom rooms and I don't understand the thing, how will I walk into a room with 1,000 people who will be much ahead of me? I felt intimidated and I did not even book my tickets. But this year, in February, even before I was chosen as a speaker at Saspreneur Sydney, I booked my tickets to Dallas. It's all booked for this October. So I think everything is whatever you believe about you is right. Okay. If you feel you're successful, you are successful. If you don't feel you're successful just yet, be right. But all I'm saying is embrace your own journey, embrace the pace with which you're moving, embrace your skill set, and do not compare with others. I mean, even now, I don't look at others. I do not go to other social media platforms, look at other people. I don't know what's happening in the high level world. I just don't have the time, or that's not my priority to look at other people's life. I focus on me. I put my blinders on and I focus on me, my growth, and my journey. So I want you to probably take this 30 days as your focus period to just go inward, not outward, searching for, oh, what is he doing? Can I buy that snapshot? Oh, what is he doing? Can I focus on mortgage brokers because he's very successful in the mortgage broking niche? Most people do this, looking at others, thinking there is a magic pill that worked for them and that'll work for me too. You have to just believe in you and go all in. All right. So it's your strategy and that's your secret sauce, magic pill, whatever you want to call it. That's more powerful than just the software itself. And everyone's journey and timeline is different. And you just have to accept and embrace and do not compare your journey with someone else's. All right. So today is a day for grounding and basically understanding and embracing our own journey. I'll see you all tomorrow.